are making a bigger community of FarEye together. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to start by inviting in three gentlemen, all of whom are always holding on to that pulse, ensuring that we are always forward thinking and making sure that we have grip on everything brilliantly.
It will have to build the mass with all the power of the deepest state brothers like that. This would be the team where like Mars will get created, planned as another place like Earth in the universe.
Each one of us is a rock star. Each one of us is a champion. I think we've interacted with most of you, if not all of you. Look at you are the true champions.
I'm pretty confident we are not going to lose jobs. We're going to create many more jobs for the future. Not just for ourselves, not for our teams, but for our customers also.